In this video, I'll explain how plastics get into your water, their potential health risks, and what you can do to protect your family from drinking water contaminated with microplastics. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. Americans use 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Every week, 10 billion plastic bags are used worldwide. 8 million metric tons of discarded plastic makes its way into the oceans each year. Plastic waste enters both land and water sources through littering, poor waste management, stormwater runoff, fishing vessels, cargo and cruise ships, and more. Many plastics float, so countless plastic items of all shapes and sizes make their journey downstream, eventually making their way into the ocean. So microplastics are generally characterized as water-insoluble solid polymer particles that are less than 5 millimeters in size, or about the size of a pencil eraser, and smaller. They contaminate water as they break down over time. Certain foods like fruits and vegetables, beer, fish, and bottled water all contain microplastics. Most microplastics don't biodegrade. They just break down into smaller pieces. In fact, microplastics have been found in every ecosystem on the planet, from the Antarctic tundra and tropical coral reefs, and even in rainwater. So basically, seafood eats the microplastics and we eat the seafood, but we can't secrete those microplastics very easily. Microplastics can cause considerable health concerns. In addition to their physical effects on the digestive system, microplastics can cause chemical toxicity, which involves the absorption and accumulation of environmental toxins such as heavy metals, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These toxic substances can enter the body through gastrointestinal tract when microplastics are ingested orally, leading to various gastrointestinal symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Studies show that 94% of the drinking water samples collected in the United States contain microplastics. The best way to tell for sure if you have microplastics in your water, however, is with a water test. Since these contaminants are so small, they're invisible to the naked eye. Now, you can have your water tested for microplastics, and I'll put a link in the description down below. But keep in mind that just because you don't have microplastics today doesn't mean that you won't have them in your water tomorrow. Can you protect your family by buying bottled water from exotic places like Fiji or the French Alps? Nope. If those waters are bottled in plastic bottles, the amount of microplastic in bottled water actually increases the longer the water sits in and leaches plastic from the plastic water bottle. And the glass bottles also leach plastics from the cap. When it comes to bottled water, some of the microplastic contamination is likely coming from the water source, but a larger contribution might be originating from the packaging itself. I don't know about you, but I'll make sure that my family drinks water that's had all the microplastics removed. Both the Environmental Protection Agency and the World Health Organization says that more data are needed to confirm the contamination sources and the extent of contamination by microplastics in our drinking water, but agree that advanced treatment using membranes, reverse osmosis, would be expected to achieve 100% removal of microplastics in our drinking water. A reverse osmosis drinking water system like this one will remove microplastics finer than the eye can see and a whole lot of other contaminants from your drinking water. Click here for more information about our Hume Water Saver 75 reverse osmosis drinking water systems for your family. Not sure how reverse osmosis drinking water systems work? No problem. Click here for my next video and I'll see you there.